In this video, let us learn how to create this beautiful title animation. Here is another example of the title animation. It's a very interesting animation. You can use this for your product pack shot demonstration, or if you want to introduce a team member, you can use this. I'll show you how to create this animation from scratch. But before that, I am Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. We help professionals like you create engaging presentations. While the animation looks quite complex, it is after all a simple idea of layering various elements on the photo. All we require to create this beautiful effect is a photo and an isolated version of the photo where the main element is isolated, and then you have your title. Let me show you how, by creatively layering these elements in the right way, we are able to create a very interesting title animation sequence. Now, first take any picture. You can always isolate the main image using any number of techniques. If you want to use PowerPoint to isolate the main item, you can always go to picture format and use this remove background option. I've created an entire video that shows you how to isolate a picture from its background image. I will leave a link to this in the iCard right now here. If you want to use a free app that allows you to remove the background from the photo and which is available right in your PC right now, you can watch this video, and I'll leave a link for this on the iCard as well. It is called Remove Background for free in Windows. So I'm not really going to go too deep into that because that is not the point of this video. Let me show you how to layer the various elements to achieve the kind of effect that we achieved. The first thing we need to achieve the effect is to layer the title between the photo and the isolated element. So I'm going to move this over here. Now you may not actually be able to notice, but this is nothing but a simple title where I went to shape format, went to the outline option and chose white outline with a weight of 2 1/4 points. The white outline may not be visible to you right now because of the background that you see here. Maybe I can change the background to something dark so you can clearly see the outline. Can you see? This is the white outline I got, which is 2 1/4 points. Then I'm going to make a duplicate of this slide and I'm going to keep this after the isolated image. In this text, let me go to shape format, go to the fill and say it doesn't need to have any fill, which is the no fill option. And then I'm going to take this isolated image, duplicate this and move this as the last element, and I'm going to give this a glow. So let me go here, right click, go to format picture, go to glow, choose one of the glows. Glow 18 point is good. Instead of this red color, I'm going to choose black color. So that is the only change I'm going to make here. So we have got all the elements we require. We just need to stack one on top of the other and add the relevant custom animation. So let us go to the first one. Here I'm going to stack everything. The second slide has the title element. I'm going to take this, press Ctrl X to cut it and place it right here on top of it. Then let us go to the isolated image. Select this, press Ctrl X to cut it and then place this on top of it. Make sure that it is aligned properly. So I'm going to use align center and align middle. Now you can see that this isolated image sits on top of the original background image. Next, let me go to the next element, which is nothing but the text with no fill. Let us select this, press Ctrl X and then go back to the place where we are stacking everything and press Ctrl V. Make sure that this is properly aligned with the original text. Now we have got the title in place. Now, the beauty of this is when I click and drag my cursor across, so I can select both the text elements, and if I try to move it across, you can see a very interesting aspect here. There is the title with fill in the background, and there is the title with just the outline in the front. And as a result, when we move this around this isolated image, you can see that the portion where we have the isolated image is showing through, whereas the background has a fill in the word. I'm going to have these two elements. Since I have selected them both, I'm going to apply custom animation. Let me go to animations and have them fly in, and they need to fly in from right, and the duration is going to be for 4 seconds. So the effect can clearly be seen. Let us go to animation pane so you can see how the animations are shown. The text with the fill and the text without the fill, both of them are going to appear from right. through fly-in animation. So that is what we are going to do. You can of course change the position of these two text elements. So you select this and place them exactly where you want it. Then we are going to add the final element on top of this. So let us go to the fifth slide, select this, press Ctrl X, then go to the first one where we are stacking everything and press Ctrl V and make sure that the alignment is proper. So you use align center and align middle. Now everything is done. I'm going to add a simple fade animation to this final element with a glow. So let us go to fade, and this happens after previous. So if I have to recount the layers, the original photo with the background is right at the back. On top of that, we have the text with fill. On top of that, we have the isolated image. On top of that, we have the text without the fill. And then on top of that, we have the isolated image with a glow. We have the text elements coming in by fly in from right, and the final element with a glow comes in as a fade as the last element after previous. Now let us see the effect. On a click, we have the title with its outline adding to the mystery, and then we have the element with glow coming in the last. So the people can understand what the title is, but then this particular effect gives them that intrigue and make them want to look at your slide. So with a bit of creativity, you can really come up with some very interesting effects in PowerPoint. And if you want to see some more examples of using creativity to create easy and beautiful title slide design, I have a video available for you right now on your screen. You can click on the link and watch this video next. It'll be a very interesting one if you want to make impressive slides. So click on the link, watch that video next, and I'll see you inside that.